Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move and mute inactive members after 30 minutes in Discord. This feature is perfect for keeping your server organized and your voice channels free from inactive users. Let's jump right in and set it up together. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged in, head over to the server where you want to activate the inactive member feature. At the top of your server, tap or click the server's name to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage everything about your server, from permissions to roles and channels. For now, we'll stay focused on setting the inactive timeout. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Overview. Tap it to open your server's general settings page. Here, you'll see various options to tweak how your server behaves and looks. Now, find the section called Inactive Channel. This is the channel where Discord will automatically move members who stay muted or idle for too long. Choose the voice channel you'd like to set as the inactive channel. It's a good idea to pick one that's not used often, so idle users don't disrupt active conversations. After selecting your inactive channel, tap on Inactive Timeout. A list of time options will appear. Choose 30 minutes. This tells Discord to automatically move and mute members who haven't been active for that long. Once you've made your choice, make sure to save your changes, and that's it. From now on, when someone stays inactive for more than 30 minutes, Discord will automatically move them to your inactive channel and mute